everyone, welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. Wow, what a fun piece this turned out to be. I'm not sure, I think I'm using some leftover paints. There was a load of white paint, or could be silver paint maybe, that I put down, and some turquoise, and then I put some other colours down. Basically, I was in my studio with the camera going, but I was literally, I'd had the day from hell and I just wanted to let rip in my studio, and I just happened to have the camera rolling. If I can figure out what colours I use, I'll put it down in the description below. If I can't, hey, just enjoy this piece for what it is. A fun, funky, do you know, meditate on this piece, guys. Look at the piece at the end, because there are so many different things to see. There's emoticons, there's an elephant at the top, there's a fish down the bottom, there's a half smiley face. Oh my god, I love it. It's fun. You have fun watching. Let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Quite frankly, I don't give a shit which way you go. Just enjoy. I'll catch you later.
Together for a week or two, but then I started shifting slow, so I let my grip loosen. I never thought you'd do it, and I hope I'm wrong. I hope you never felt so lonely, but maybe you need it just about anyone. Oh, Grace, and where did you go? Stuck inside tomorrow, scared by what you can't see. If your heart is full of sorrow and you don't know where you need to be, I'll hold you in my arms, sweet darling bee. Let's take a little while, tell me what you need. It's okay to let go now, I'll take the lead. I'll hold you in my arms, sweet darling bee. No, I don't think you're crazy. You're just trying to do it right. You are the light inside our home. You make me dance without a song, sweet darling me. When you're done with playing nice and you need some rock and roll, if you feel a little restless at the center of your soul, go on and take me by the hand, sweet darling bee. Let's be a little crazy.
I need to practice with my wedges, and that sounded really bad, and I'm going to go and giggle for a while.
Let's try to make it right. You are the light inside our home. You make me smile without a joke, sweet darling me.
You know how you always look shit first thing in the morning before you've done your hair, brushed your teeth, have a shave, put your makeup on? This painting's a bit like that. It was bloody awful. But I know what the outcome was. Stick with it, guys. I did wear a mask while I was spray painting, just in case you were worried. But to be honest, I'm 5'1". There's no chance of me ever getting high. That was a really bad joke. That was like, oh my god, they wouldn't even put that in a Christmas cracker.